Now, I only eat avocados like this. I'll show you now how this dessert turned out. To start, I'll cut 2 avocados in half and then remove the pit. I have no doubt that you'll be surprised by how delicious the result of this recipe is. Next, I'll transfer the avocados to a large bowl. You've never tasted anything as amazing as this dish. Then, I'll add 4 egg yolks, and it's important to save the egg whites because we'll use them later. I'll also add 1 cup of sugar, and then, with the help of a fork, I'll mash our ingredients to mix them. I'm happy you're enjoying our recipes. Next, I'll add 1 cup of oil. I'll mix again to combine all the ingredients. Then, using a sieve, I'll add 1½ cups of wheat flour. I'll stir our recipe until it becomes a homogeneous mixture. Making this avocado cake is more than cooking. It's creating special moments. The sweet aroma and unique flavor whet everyone's appetite at home even before it's ready. In another bowl, I'll add the 4 egg whites we saved earlier. With a mixer, I'll beat the whites until they double in size. When they reach this point, I'll transfer them to the same bowl as our homogeneous mixture. I'll mix until all the ingredients are fully combined. This cake is perfect for a coffee with friends, or even as a dessert at a special dinner. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I'll mix a bit more. After that, I'll transfer our mixture to a metal pan already greased with butter and wheat flour. This dish is ideal for those looking for something light, flavorful, and suitable for any time of the day. With a spoon, I'll smooth our recipe inside the pan. I'll bake it for 50 minutes at 180 degrees. When the time is up, I'll take our cake out of the oven and, with the help of a plate, I'll remove it from the pan. You can't imagine how fluffy and delicious this cake is. I'll show you now how this dessert turned out. This recipe has become a routine in my house. I'm sure that once you try it, it will become a routine in your home too. Guys, I love this dish. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it too.